Wrap dresses. Check out these beautiful wrap dresses. Wrap dresses, the perfect dress for plus-size women. If you're looking for a perfect style dress that will suit your figure, you should consider the range of wrap dresses that are currently available to buy. This is a particular style of dress that will look good on women of all ages and women of all sizes. Whether you are a short woman, a plus-size woman, or a pregnant woman, you will find the right wraparound dress that will accentuate your body shape and show you off to the best ability. Wrap dresses for plus-size women. If you are a woman with a lovely set of curves, then this sort of dress style will suit your figure for several reasons. You will be able to find a dress that has been cut properly so that it sits in just the right places in order to emphasize the best bits of your body. This dress wraps around and is tied at the waistline with a ribbon or with a fabric tie made from the same fabric as the rest of the dress. This means that you can create a waistline so that you break up your body shape. The dress will fall over the hips and you can decide whether you would prefer to wear a knee-length dress or if you would rather opt for a longer length. You will find dresses made in a variety of fabrics and dress lengths that would be suitable for either casual wear or for evening wear. Make the most of your bust line. The majority of larger women have a wonderful bust line, so this wrap-over style dress will help to enhance your better features to great effect. One of the best places to start looking for a wrap dress that will look great for your figure is if you take a look at what is on offer on the internet. You will be able to take a look at places that provide this style of dress for your particular dress size. You may be pleasantly surprised at the range that is on offer. Clothes for the larger lady does not have to make you look frumpy or old-fashioned, and wrap dresses for plus-size women are a perfect solution to improving your sense of style.